Hi guys, I have these miniature pine trees growing in this huge planter along with other plants for years. I finally dismantled the whole planter and pulled out these miniature pine trees. They have grown large considering I grew these from stem cuttings. My husband is helping me clean out the old soil that's hardened over the years. We just want to clean out the old soil and plant it in fresh potting mix. After cleaning, he's trimming the roots down to allow for new, healthy roots to grow. Not that these roots are not healthy. Look how strong they are. After trimming, I let the plant sit in a dry location away from direct sunlight to dry for a few days. In this case, it was sitting for an entire week before I had a chance to repot. So I've prepared cactus potting mix with perlite right here, and we'll go ahead and get started. I have a little helper here to mix the soil for me. I always gather up the broken stems and stick them back in the soil to propagate. My vision is to create a little Zen pine tree forest. invoke some Bob Ross here by saying, maybe there's a little pond here and maybe gnomes live in this forest. For those of you old enough, you'll know who I'm talking about. I used to watch Bob Ross on public TV. His voice is so relaxing and his paintings were amazing. So here's my attempt at creating a little Zen garden or Zen mini pine tree forest. Two weeks later, here's how they look. We've had a lot of rain and it's also been very cold, sometimes below freezing at night. So far the plants are holding up. I've been refraining from watering these because we've been getting a lot of rain. I'm going to end the video right here. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like this video if you found it useful and subscribe to this channel if these are the types of content you'd like to see. I have a playlist of related topics that you can check out down below. Thanks for stopping by, and as always, happy gardening! Bye!